I don't like the unknown. And so especially at like the start of this house, I mean, the economy was shifting so much, like there was so much unknown. I didn't know what I could sell this house for. We didn't know what we were doing to the house. And where like the last house, we had so much more time to think about things. And this house was so like, go, 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 that it made me so nervous, which is why I think I was like that. But I do think that this might be part of my creative process, is freaking out and then realizing like, okay, you're really fine. I wasn't on my anxiety meds though in the beginning, so maybe. A few weeks ago, Tracy, our realtor, told me that she had a few prospective buyers who were interested in touring the house. Both of those couples ended up writing really competitive offers, and we ended up accepting one of them. I love the family. I love that we're now not designing for a fake family anymore, but there is absolutely no room at all for anything to go wrong in the timeline. Drywall is in, and this is where a project really starts taking shape and begins moving really, really fast. I'm waiting for Shelby, who conveniently is late every single time we're here. Where are you?
We've been driving over 2 hours. Really, I have to pee so bad. Like, my coat is ripped. I'm just like feeling all the feels right now.
Okay, well, we'll turn it around when you get here.
Okay, I'll be there soon.
Okay, bye. Shelby gets out of all the hard stuff somehow. Like when we're like carrying all the planners inside the building, or move-in day for the GBOGH house, like she conveniently was graduating college. So she gets out of everything hard, so I think she can handle a few tile boxes. There she is. You would have told me my car was getting filmed, I maybe would have watched it a bit. Oh, Cece. Okay. Or are you putting me to work? Yep. Are you serious, Shelby? I don't know, like I did arms yesterday, so. Shelby, you're joking.
Go for it!
Is everything basically done? As far as like all of the finishes go, yeah, they're all done. So this is going to be the color for all of the crown molding, base molding, fireplace, and fireplace brick. And then the walls are going to be white. Okay. I just had to picture it in my head for a second.
Do you want to know what I found? I found your first project on my phone.
No, do not show them, Shelby.
I literally do.
That is the ugliest thing.
Oh my god. Sophie designed, like redid my entire room, and she painted it.
In high school, I was like a sophomore in high school.
Do you see it? Like those are lyrics, and then she painted the walls pink. So this girl, who is known for having the worst handwriting in the world.
Yeah, I have the worst handwriting.
Painted a full wall full of her handwriting. It was beautiful.
Yeah.
Not as dark as I thought you were gonna go.
Well, I'm trying to, so they have animals, so like, and dark floors can get scratches really easily in them, so I'm trying to be nice. Can you hold it up for me? It does have a slight purple hue to it, but I kind of love it. Yeah, I've been like very aligned with my hues lately. Then we have the kitchen. Whoa, whoa.
Pretty.
Right?
Pretty.
And then we're doing real wood beams.
I knew you were gonna say that.
And then this slate tile, I mean, it's gonna be like magical together.
And who's doing your cabinetry for this?
The Amish.
Oh my god. I want to meet them. Yeah, you would love it. You would love it.
Okay, that looks great, right?
I'm obsessed. European kitchens are so in right now that I think it's going to be great. I love that you're taking the whatever, like marble and stuff up. I think that's a really great idea. I'm excited to see what it becomes, and hopefully there won't be any kitchen problems like last time.
Yeah.
Because boy, oh boy, I don't know if we can.
That was a nightmare. Today's the day the cabinets are getting delivered. I'm so excited, but I'm also a little bit nervous because I went very bold with the color, and I'm afraid that the naysayers might be right and that it's gonna be ugly. What a beautiful day out. It's so gross. Hello, hello.
Hi, Sophie. Would you like to be my friend?
Oh my God, you weirdo, where are you?
I'm
Who even
right
is that,
here.
Eric?
Come say hi.
Oh my God, you're freaking me out. This reminds me, do you know what this reminds me of? I don't know why I keep finding weird ass figurines, stuffed animals, clown shapes, whatever it is in the walls of the houses that I buy. Apparently that's not normal. I don't know if they're out to get me or what. I don't want anything to do with them. They freak me out and I don't even want to look at them. I bring out things from the walls. That is so freaky. I was so confused. Wait, do you like the color?
We were playing around with this too much to actually look at anything else.
Oh my gosh, I love it. No, I really like it. Oh, it looks so good. You guys don't look Amish.
No.
Are you?
I just shaved though.
Are you guys Amish?
No.
Oh, I was gonna say, I'm like, this is not what I was expecting. This cabinet delivery is definitely different than the last. And these guys are just so awesome. So they're like Amish made, which I've had an obsession with Amish for like so long. Like when I get ready in the morning, I watch Amish documentaries. But I just think it's so interesting because he's Amish, so it's all hand drawn. And their quality is just unmatched. Like the quality of these cabinets are just unbelievable, and they really, really know what they're doing. And they just like are getting it done like no one's business. This is like so much more of the fun stuff. Like I don't like the guts of the construction, where this is like the pretty details. Sarah's coming next week and I'm so excited because I haven't seen her in a really long time. At least in our standards, a long time. And she's been in New York for 1.5 years now, which is insane because it's gone so fast. But the transition was actually like 1,000,000 times easier than I thought it was gonna be. I went into a mourning for like a month after she left, and then we just got in the groove of things. And let's see what she's saying.
Sarah Jessup said, okay, Ian, just asked how far out I was. And I was like, I'm a dick. I didn't ask Matt if he wanted anything. From Collectivo.
Do you want anything from Collectivo?
I'm good.
Wait, that's hilarious. She is a dick. Wait, I'm a dick too because I didn't even think about asking you if you wanted anything either.
Do you want anything from Good Cairo? That's hilarious. She is a dick. Done.
She's gonna be so confused. For memes, should we drive past my old house so you can see how close we used to live to each other?
Oh my god, yeah.
We have so many memories. Like one time, my parents weren't gonna let me do anything until I mowed the lawn, and Sarah had a riding lawnmower. So we rode her riding lawnmower all the way over to my house so that we could go.
We thought it was the funniest thing. Like I think I have YouTube videos of us riding around in that lawnmower.
This is where we grew up. I love it so much. And then that back there was all farmland, and Sarah and I would spend hours getting ready and then do photo shoots back in there. And we got like 100 likes on it, which was like viral back in like 2012. I got a call from like the main person at my wedding venue, which is just like Ben's Country Club. And the place that we got, the tent, floors, chairs, dance floor, tables, I mean literally everything went bankrupt. So not only do we have nothing for the wedding, but we also lost all of our money.
And it's 4 months away.
No, 3 months now.
3?
3 months away.
I'm so excited to see the house.
I can actually not wait for you to see it. And I haven't even been there in like 2-3 weeks at this point.
I haven't been there in 3 months.
I know.
All I can see is
Okay,
the
well,
floor.
I guess I don't need to close my eyes because I've seen everything.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god, the counters! You haven't seen it!
Cry.
The sink too.
That color of the cabinets, I just can't get over. Like, I mean, that color is so good. We have the prettiest fireplace.
Is this the color?
So that's gonna be the trim fireplace, and I'm so
Is that all you're
excited.
doing in this room?
Yeah, this room. I mean, so we'll have the lights. Oh, look at that moment! And then I had them do it so that it comes like.
No, I see. Yeah, I
continuous.
love that.
So instead of doing trim like wood trim, we're doing marble trim.
Cool.
Please tell me I'm not in crime.
You look horrible.
I literally so bad.
What's in your ear? Oh, AirPod.
An AirPod.
I thought you had like gauze or something, and I was like, wow, you really are rough right now. Does Sandberg have links for us to use?
I think there's a 10% discount or something. Here's the link for Instagram stories. My look right now is giving season 1.
It is giving season 1. Okay, I have got to go.
Mummage.
Bye. Child one day.
You know what? I think that's whatever. I think it's best.
What time is it? I gotta be. Oh my god, that 30 minutes went by like nothing. Okay, I have the mirror downstairs.
Okay.
What do I need to do to get you to carry it upstairs? It's not that
Say,
heavy.
can you take it upstairs?
Can you please take it upstairs?
Yeah. Just do the, you know, Genie, right? Cross your arms and bob your head.
Do you like the copper?
Not really.
Are you serious?
Yeah. As soon as it ages, it's going to get that green.
Yeah, I need
right?
it to
And then I think,
age.
you know, I mean, you could throw a solution on it.
I
to make
know,
this.
but I'm like, I don't
I'm sure
feel
that's
like
helpful
it.
money too.
Just gonna let nature do its thing.
Let it do its thing.
All
You're
right. I'm gonna go close my trunk. Thank you. It's funny because I can tell we're at the final like last 2 weeks because we're just getting calls 24/7. Like yesterday was the dishwasher crisis. Our panel dishwasher was an inch too big, which is funny, but in our industry that's a crisis when we're 2 weeks out. So we got that replaced, and it's just like we're constantly getting calls. Like I'm just getting call after call after call on clarifying things. But it's all good. We can just tell we're at the end. And so I'm excited because I'm kind of ready for it to be done, to be honest. Because once this house is done, that means it's wedding time. So I'm counting down the minutes.